Project's Advanced Settings. On this tutorial, we will have a look at some of the advanced settings inside of projects. If you would like to learn how to set up a project, simply click on the box here. Part 1. Subjobs, Gantt, and Dependencies. On the Projects page, let's go ahead and click on the cog icon in order to edit an existing project. Now, let's go down to the Subjobs section. First thing I'm going to do is to assign workers to all my subjobs as well as setting the job duration and start time. Once I've done that, I will rearrange my dependencies. Dependencies is a very useful feature you could use in order to keep a project running smoothly and without wasting any valuable time. On our Getting Started tutorial, we used an example where a house was being built. This is a perfect example where dependencies are crucial. Here's why. On this project, our builder shouldn't start his job until the site inspector has completed all of his work steps. In other words, the builder's job is dependent on the site inspector's job completion. Let's create that specific dependency now. Here is how. I will then add dependencies on all my other subjobs. Now, if we scroll up to the Gantt graph, you can clearly see a diagram which shows all my jobs, timeline, and the dependencies show as jobs linked. Part 2. Mapping. All these fields at the end of the page will allow you to push read-only information from the master job to subjobs and vice versa. The first two sections allow you to push information from the master job to subjobs. Here, you can push address information to specific steps. And here, you can push read-only custom field information. On the next two sections, you can push information from the subjobs to other subjobs or to the master job. First, I would like to send custom field information from my subjobs to the master job custom fields. Let's set it up now. Now, all my signatures collected on the subjobs will transfer across to my master job. On the last section, what I would like to do is to share photos captured by the site inspector and share it with the other subjobs. Here's how we do it. Part 3. Invoicing. If you have invoicing turned on in your project jobs, you can also choose to collate all of your subjob invoices so they get grouped into one invoice on the master job. All you need to do is set this up as shown here. This is how you can use some of the advanced settings inside of projects to create flawless workflows, sharing information, and creating a clear hierarchy of job completion. If you need a hand setting up vWork, there is more detailed information available from our help desk at help.vworkapp.com.